Hi, it is Amber with the Hormone Hack Effect. I am coming to you from Santa Rosa Beach, Florida, where we are full-time RVers, where we sold everything a year and a half ago to pursue and get ourselves out of debt free to do the the things we feel like we need to be doing for the world and for our community and for our lives. And for me, that is teaching you how to do weight loss, and I take you through my powerful formula to get you body transformation using real food in the real world. So that being said, I want to talk to you today about stress and overwhelm. As you can see, I'm sweating. I'm sweating because I just worked out. I put my body under some stress. Now, I did not put my body under extreme stress, but I did put my body under some overwhelm to feel a little stress so my body can get to the next level of the fitness where I want to be, right? And food does the same thing. The difference between exercise and food is exercise is going to give you 20% of the results that you're looking for, while food's going to give you 80% of the results that you're looking for. So if you are stuck in a hamster wheel of I'm putting 100% effort into 20% of the problem, which is exercise, and I'm not putting it into the food, then you're probably experiencing some weight gain, bloating, not getting the results that you want, or you're feeling extremely frustrated because you're having to exert so much effort to get this much of what you're looking for. So that being said, if you're feeling that way, please, number one, don't hit yourself over the head over it. It's not your fault that you feel that way. It's just the way that dietitians, exercise physiologists, everybody has their own method of madness of how to lose weight and how to do things, right? I tell people, I said, I have a method, I have a powerful formula, it does work. And the best thing I can tell you is to measure it. You measure it by you doing a blood test at your doctor's office and trend it. I'm a certified EMT. We trend things. You trend it every certain amount of time. When I'm doing chest pains or I'm doing a trauma, I'm trending every 5 minutes. You know what I mean? With weight loss, maybe you're trending every 30 days, 60 days, 90 days, a quarter, once a quarter, whatever it is. That's what you need to be doing. But as far as like the overwhelm of stress, not just physical stress, I'm talking about work stress, I'm talking about the overwhelm. I'm talking about the people who take on everybody else's issues they've got going on, projects, requests, all these things, because you're the one who doesn't want to say no because you have so much to give. And then what you end up finding out is you get pushed to the back burner, and a counter reaction to you pushing yourself back to put others forward and first, because that's what you're supposed to do. You're supposed to put others first, you're last. You find that your food becomes absolutely last. You find yourself accidentally eating 4 or 5 times a day. You find yourself in conference calls and somebody brought in snacks, and then you got to go to a luncheon and there's more food, and then you got to go home and make dinner, because this is what we do. We eat breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and you find yourself in that hamster wheel, and the next thing you know, you have no energy, your body is completely under stress, the bloating never goes away. Mentally, you feel like you're absolutely defeated, and sometimes it's hard for you to get up in the morning, but let me tell you, it can absolutely stop. And here's how you stop it. You stop. And I know that sounds really, really simple and really, really easy, but the best way, because there's not one food that you can take that's going to stop the whole thing. There's not one vitamin, there's not one food out there that you can consume that's going to stop the stress and overwhelm. The best way is not from food. It's just to stop. And when I say stop, breathe, take a break, and let your body process and figure out what to do, because your body is a heck of a lot smarter than your mind when it comes to what you're trying to do with all the stress that's on your body. I tell people, I'm like, if my body actually listened to my brain, I'd be in a lot more trouble. I would be in so much trouble, because what I think needs to happen, my body says, no, let me handle it. That's why I was created. My body knows what to do with stress and overwhelm, but my body needs me to stop so it can pick it up and start sending out the processes that need to happen. And I can't bring in additional stress, including food, to put that on my body so my body stops. I don't want my body to stop, so I have to give it time. So how much time are you thinking, or you're asking yourself, well, how much time do I need? Well, it just depends. For me, if I get under an extreme load of stress, because I have been fasting for a few years now, I can go 24 hours and let my body just chill. I can go 12 hours. You could go 12 hours. You're not going to go into a starvation mode just in a few hours. It takes days to get there. Your body is extremely smart. It stores up energy for using in survival instances, and reducing stress is what needs to happen, but your body is not going to go into survival. It's actually going to quit grabbing things for survival and relax. And then you're going to start feeling those things happen. And then from there, we can move into the rest of my powerful formula, which is fight fat with fat, good, back it up with good clean protein, and then yes, we do carbs, and then we shove it all in a timed eating window, and you can have your reset and your restart anytime. And we use real food. This isn't vitamins, this isn't some kind of shake, this isn't some kind of pill out there that you have to take. This is actually using real food where you live, and I teach you how to hack it. So if you like stuff like this, subscribe, notify. Getting ready to start with my Hormone Hack Effect group. It's going to be revolutionary. I have big goals for it. I'm going to put everybody in a group that wants to be in there, and that's where we're going to focus on your transformation using this formula. And I'll tell you about the goal later of what I'm wanting to accomplish, but it's going to be awesome. So anyway, notify, subscribe, share, like, comment, follow me on my social media, and I will see you guys soon. Thank you guys for tuning in. I'll see you on the next video.